Random Tech here, and I'm back with another review of this KLIM Chroma wireless keyboard. Now the keyboard that I have is the new 2020 UK version. This keyboard is marketed as a gaming keyboard, but it's definitely suitable for other purposes. One of its key visual feature is this beautiful backlighting, and it comes with the option for you to intensify the light, reduce the light, or completely turn it off depending on what you prefer to work with. Personally, I like working with the backlighting on. I think it looks beautiful on my desk setup. Another great and useful feature is that this keyboard is a waterproof keyboard. Now, for somebody that's as clumsy as I am, this is something that I know I greatly appreciate about this keyboard. This keyboard is also very lightweight. You can certainly feel it when you carry it. It has a weight of 680 grams, and therefore it's easy for you to move around with it or carry it if you needed to carry it. Now this is the back, and that's where you have your receiver to connect to your computer, and this is the button that you can actually switch off or turn off the backlights if you wanted to. Now this keyboard is actually very comfortable to use, and it actually has a great response rate in terms of its performance as well. Now when it comes to the sound, I will say it's more on the quieter side. I am just a little bit heavy-handed when I'm typing, but this is definitely more on the quieter side. This is the keyboard charger, and this keyboard has a great battery life. It takes 4 hours to get it fully charged, and once it's charged it can last up to 17 hours. Now, I didn't actually do an unboxing of this package, but I just wanted to show you what else came in the package. As usual, with every equipment or anything you get, you always get a manual, so that's the manual there. But it also came with this envelope, which I thought was quite cute, and I was excited to open it. And the envelope had this beautiful note from the team. I actually read every single word in this note. It was actually nice to read. And it also comes with some stickers for anyone that's interested in stickers, and this little card as well. Now that's it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, feel free to like it, subscribe, comment down below any questions that you have as well. Thank you.